Hey, it looks like my neighbor might have got his truck running halfway. Hopefully he gets that going. But hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Rockabilly Customs channel. And today I'm going to be working on unbolting my motor. And the motor is a C18 DET. Now when this video goes up online, if I still have the motor, it's still for sale. So before I do anything to it, let me tell you a little bit about the motor. So let me pan it around and I'll show you. Okay, this is a C18 DET, and yes, it was a red top motor that I painted blue. The motor has been rebuilt. I bought the only rebuild kit here in stateside, so it's been rebuilt. It has King connecting rod bearings, King crank bearings, the crank's been turned, the block's been machined and milled, same as the head, so therefore it sets nice and flat on there. It's built. It has, I'm going to butcher this name, Wiseco's pistons. It's the stock bore is 83 mils, but I've gapped the piston rings so allow blow by from the turbo because I was going to run 20 pounds of boost in this motor. Now the only reason I'll get to the reason I'm selling it, but it has a wiring specialist wiring harness to allow it to bolt in, to plug into the harness here, but allow it to hook into the body harness for the 240SX over here in the US that use the KA. So made it real simple. Only thing it does not have is the little wire going from the ignition system over here, so I just had to tap into my ignition wire and run it over here to my starter. Simple.
I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything I wanted.
Look, I'm manifested where I'm at. The credit card just up the max, and everything I do, I tax. It's hard to buy my time. They see me shining, my paint dripping, I'm acting different. I keep it modest till I turn up, I've been champagne sipping. They clock watch while I big boss and a flossing proper. I'm quick to slide like a slip, not ducking cops and robbers. Been on the wave, you can't tame, they pressing play to play me. And I'm out of body, my vibration high, I'm levitating. I feel amazing, I'm keeping space away from them toxins. I'm going places, I'm gassed up, ain't no limitation. Headed where that tree in that weather, got my melanin popping. Whip with the leather, the softest, what the fuck a humble brag. I'm bad boy with that cash, ready to spaz. I splash the dash, digital rap. They mad niggas trying bite too hot to handle. I ghost ride it, I pilot phantom. My mind ain't yet hit its prime. They ask me when I'm quitting, decline to answer, I'm unbothered, I'm kind-mannered. But fuck a body in the way, cause I've been moving at a rate where any day the fuse gon' burn out, then I blow up, then we go up, tell a hater, so what? It's in my veins, I'm cold-blooded and function, I'm flawless, I'm manufactured different. They carbon copy, they sloppy, I'm everlasting with it. I'm legendary, it's very scary, I'm seeing this through the finish.
I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.
Cool young nigga from the middle, kick raps like riddles, Got game wrapped up like Reynolds, kush pack like Skittles, Move
move like I'm supposed to be. I chose to be this lit. Shorty at the show just wanna get close to me and pose for me, then flick. And to be honest, girl, that's cool with me. Have your ass at home in my t-shirt and all my jewelry. Niggas act too cool for school, but you know that ain't fooling me. Let her do her thing, cause I can't tell her mama who to be. Girl, that's rude to me. And if she wanna swing that Lexus down to Texas, know that I'm gon' let her. What the fuck I look like trippin'? I got polo on my sweater. Give a fuck about all that gossip, cause them hoes don't know no better. All my niggas on and poppin' till I can't fold up no more cheddar. What they mad at me for? Cause I'm out here stuntin' like my daddy. I plus with all my Negroes. I'ma drop that pen, I'ma send that addy. Play in front of me, don't roll no me. What the fuck you thought it was, ho? But you don't know what you don't know, so I ain't here to judge. Though I've been on my P's and Q's, blowing them Q's and P's, baby. And I be way too flea to lose, but you still free to choose, baby. Rap ass nigga be telling them lies, but you know I don't move like that. It's funny when the cat bad niggas say you one of my guys when we know I ain't cool like that. I moved to the city real low key, in the cut like stealth mode. Dolo masked up, motherfuckers don't know me, and I'm on my health code. That's right, I moved to the city real low key, in the cut like stealth mode. Dolo masked up, motherfuckers don't know me, and I'm on my health code. I'm on this talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Run the clock, can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. Talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock, can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.
Yeah, wave.
She ain't know it, but
this is everything I wanted. Look, she ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. This is everything I wanted.
she ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.
This that gold chains on the stoop with house slippers. We really do this for the culture. Shout out whoever doubted. Shout out the skeptic. Brand new ass, hating motherfuckers. Let him know it's our time. Deal with it. Hey, make sure you run this back so we know it's real. Like I said, I'm trying to go half on a plot of land with a Brody. Love you, mama.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I keep seeing the leaders doing as we talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soak in the raincoat. Hit the waist quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. All of that bullshit is in my rib. Hey, blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, say you down for me. Okay, I give a fuck what you telling me. I really grind like it's 10 of me. Sauce drip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I'm really tryna see Tel Aviv. Fuck your elevation, I've been levitated in the preparation. I've been meditated, I've been hella patient. I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my day. Young niggas from where that crevice be. I've been solid since the less of me. Out here with the C, really in the field. Niggas on cam now, I got plans now. Finna branch out, grew up quick, but never let go of this year. All of that bullshit is in my rear. Hey, blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. Hey.
guys, I'm sorry the camera flipped over and I did not realize. Oh, it feels good to be underneath that fan right there. Guys, if you're in the shop and you don't have a fan, or y'all have the money to go buy a big fan, go to Walmart. These things are about 40 bucks or $30. Flip them upside down, put a screw through. Okay, go to Big Lots. I think they sell the one where you can mount it upside down. It was great. I got it pointed right here at the car, and I can swivel it back and forth. Are you hell? If I loosen enough, I can turn it around, and it is great. So, but motor's out. I thought I had everything disconnected, but I didn't. Had the throttle cable still connected. So, but yeah, this is my sr20 DT that I built about 3 years ago, and I threw in the car just so I can move. I didn't want to throw this on a trailer and then damaging it and all that stuff. Just bolt it down in the car. So now the question is, do I get rid of it and get a sr20, or do I keep this thing? Okay guys, it just fell over, but I had the motor out. I'm just picking a couple things off of it that I kind of threw on there today. But let me turn around and show you the motor. Okay, it's out of the car, so it's on the engine stand and it's still here. So kind of go back over the video. I wanted to pull the car out because, let me show you the engine bay. It's been pressure washed, so it's been cleaned out, but you can see some of the red poking out there. And it just does not look good, so I want to go through, and if this is going to be like a show car, this engine bay has to be nice and clean and kind of custom look and everything like that. So that's what I'm wanting to do. So that's why my motor had to come out. But I also wanted to trade my motor for an sr20 BET. So I went looking around and I found supposedly an sr20 out of Dallas. In Dallas, where I'm at, it's about an hour-and-a-half drive, not too far. I go to summer racing down there quite often, and oh my god, that's like heaven to any car guy. So if you get a chance to go to summer racing, make sure you take a bunch of money and head down there. So, but I contacted a gentleman about the motor, and he asked me a bunch of questions like, what am I looking for? It's like a contractor kind of thing, resources out, junkyards, etc. So I told him, hey, I'm looking for an sr20. I have a C18 DT, and he's like, okay, I have one that's in Dallas. He said, let me contact the people, and he called me back about a few hours, said, okay, they are willing to work with you. It's in the car right now. They're going to pull it and then give you a call. I was like, okay, awesome. Did you know if they're going to want to trade? He's like, yes, they will definitely trade for your motor. I was like, awesome, great. I'll go ahead and start pulling out of the car and get it ready. I said, okay. A week went by. He finally called me. He said, hey, they're going to call you today. I said, okay, awesome. Hey, I just want to make sure. I'm driving down there to take the motor down there and drive them back, right? Since Dallas is not far. He's like, no. And he persisted, said, ship it down there. He did not want me driving down there to deliver this motor. So that kind of made me feel unease. So, but I still was going with it, and so 2 more days rode by, still no call. I called him back and said, hey man, what's going on? What is this place called and everything like that? Try to get some information. He told me. I looked it up. There's like 3 shops down there with the same name. I'm not going to say the name or nothing like that. But so I called each shop. Nobody knows of the gentleman that was supposedly going to trade me this sr20, and nobody had an sr20 or a 240 SX sitting in a junkyard. Okay, so I was like, no, I'm not doing this. That was about the time that I watched Dylan McCool's video whenever he almost got scammed, or he did get scammed out of the Dodge Demon. And I was like, I'm not going to be a person that got scammed. So pull out, get done. Nope. So my C18 is, like I said, it's still here. I'm not going to sell it. Now if somebody does come along and say, hey, would you want an sr20? as long as it ran and everything, or I could just throw it in the car and throw my turbo and some other things on, I would definitely be, yeah, I would. But we will have to meet in person, so therefore, because I'd feel much comfortable with that, because I don't feel comfortable doing nothing like this, because I don't want to be out of a motor for these cars. An SR20 or a C18, they are expensive. We're talking about, I can go get a 350 for 500 bucks. A C18 DET is about 2,000. A SR20, I've seen them about 4,000 or 5,000. Not talking about like a 2JZ or anything like that. Those things are even more expensive. So a Japanese motor is expensive, so I don't want to be without a motor. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. So on that note, it's Labor Day weekend. I hope y'all had a great Labor Day. Tell me, I want to know, how's y'all's Labor Day go? Did y'all spend it with family? Did you go out to the lake? Did y'all grill? What'd y'all do? Me, I had some bomb ass chicken fried steak style pork chops. Homemade batter, everything, and it was awesome. Along with some good mashed potatoes and some sweet corn. Can't go wrong with that, and some sweet tea to go with it. So guys, if y'all like the video, hit a thumbs up. If y'all new to the channel, hit a subscribe. Hit that notification bell so y'all know when I upload. And stick around, because I'll be adding some stuff to this motor, and Ross going to be changing the paint on it, and a couple of things are going to get hydro dipped. So that's a little sneak peek of what's going to happen to the little C18. And then that engine bay, I don't know what color. Might be black with some pinstriping in it of the color that the car is going to be. Never know. So guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'll see you on the next one. Later.